I think fundamentally the first point that should be absolutely, you should start from a point of value creation.
Right.
And saying, what are the potential areas of value that will be created?
Right.
Versus saying, I could do it in A, B, C, D, 100 different areas. Like how do you think about the value? So I put it under three buckets, right? So when I think of AI, we started off with saying, what are the areas of value?
Right.
And so the most obvious one is for personal productivity improvement. Sure. Yes. So then you say personal productivity is one. But beyond that, and truly where I think more and more value is coming beyond that is number two, which is insight generation. And insight generation to drive actions much faster and more real time than it ever was. Right? The insights have been generated from decades, but how could you do it faster, and how could you do it more real time? And what are the areas where you could apply? And the third is reimagining workflows completely, right? Completely, right? Which is where I think the real next S curve comes from.
Right.
And where can we reimagine? Right. So I'm not going to talk about personal productivity, yes, and number insight generation. So when you think of reimagining, that's where I think the first thing that I told my team about is when you think of a network of customer agents, and specifically in this area, the agents are like happy agents will drive happy customers. So us focusing on agents is very, very important. But there's a way of working in the past where we say a very manual process of, okay, let's understand what the KPIs are. Let's listen to a few calls, and then let's basically understand from there on what are the areas of gaps that we need to coach and guide the team.